outside your car. Why am I laughing? Oh, you can see me in the reflection towards a certain way or something. That's good. Go for it. Dude, turn on. Is my battery dying or something? Oh, it's recording right now. Okay. Just pretend like you're walking around. Pretend nobody's here. Pretend you're getting chased by a bear or something. Do stuff.
Yeah.
Do more stuff.
Like what?
No, like act.
You're right, I need that. You're right. And when you're right, you're right.
Dude, I couldn't help but laugh.
Okay. This is recording. Oh my god! Ow!
Oh! I wasn't!
You weren't?
No! Fucking low sign. Will you guys walk a little bit that way? I think I just got a bug in my mouth. Give me gonna be killing innocent people. Be after you. I like try not to yell. My dad's gonna be like, "Hey, you girls, calm down out there."
Okay.
Hey, you girls, calm down out there. Calm down out there. I couldn't. You. Ow! Ow! That hurt so bad, even though it was slow-mo. Oh god! Oh god! You punched me in the boob. Oh! You hurt yourself. We were in slow-mo.
I know.
What? Who are you looking at? Crikey. That's a heavy.
I should probably just shoot you in your face.
Should you want me to hit you so you start crying? Ah! My back is covered. It was funny. Do the thing with your eyes where you get the emotional. Do it. Okay. That's how we roll. That's how we fucking do it. That's how. Ow! God damn it! Just turn on another fucking stick, bro. Stick. This one. You like my mustache? You like my mustache?